So I've decided to make a couple of turkey burgers for my evening meal, but could easily use the same ingredients to make a small turkey loaf, meatloaf. And in here I've just whizzed up medium-sized white onion, fresh parsley, fresh coriander, some caraway seeds, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and smoked paprika. Did I say that? I can't remember. Yeah, that's it. That's all that's in there so far. So just going to add that to the meat and then add an egg. I'm just going to use an egg white, I think, and then shape it into 2 burgers. So I've just added the egg white, and the dog's had the yolk. He's very happy. I'm just going to mix all that together, and as I said, I'm going to bring it into a form. If it is a bit wet, I might put a little bit of oat bran in just to help bind it together a little bit better. It did seem a little wet, so I've added about a heaped tablespoon of oat bran, and nearly ready now to make my burger shapes. So I use half a pack of 500 grams of mince. I've used about 210 grams of mince, and that's made 3 burgers, an egg white and the seasoning, and about a tablespoon of oat bran to make these burgers. So as you can see, I've put some fry light on the foil to stop them sticking, and then they're going in the fridge to chill for at least an hour before I even contemplate cooking. So my burgers have been chilled in the fridge for about 2 hours. And I've popped them in a very hot pan. I've just turned the heat down, let them cook through now. And I've added some cheese on the top, hoping that will melt through a little bit before I turn them over. Just push it in a little bit, my fingers. There we go. So probably about 7 minutes, 6 minutes each side, and I'll see if they're looking cooked at the end of that period. These are cooking really nicely, and I can see that they're almost cooked because the colour is changing up through the burger. So I'm just going to turn it over. I think the secret is with homemade burgers is to get them really chilled and put them in a hot pan and press them down, and basically not flip them too often. So that's that one going over. So I'll do the 2 now, and I'll be eating shortly. And I can't wait, very hungry today. Now they came out really well, a little bit overcooked on the one side, but I did want to put them into a very hot pan because homemade burgers can tend to fall apart. But putting a really hot pan to get it going, that seemed to, I find it helps. So anyway, that's my evening meal with butternut squash wedges. I just cooked those with some fry light and salt and coarse grained pepper, and I've got some steamed veg. I absolutely love my vegetables. Can't get enough veg into my system. So anyway, I've got 2 burgers. I made 3. I'm going to keep 1 for tomorrow. Might take it with me for a snack if I'm out and about between 2 crumpets. So time to tuck in. Yummy.